Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Kajabi for online courses, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Kajabi for online courses, first, log into your Kajabi account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Products tab on the left sidebar. Select New Product to create a new course. Choose the appropriate template for your course type. Give your course a unique name and provide a brief description. Click Create to set up your course framework. Next, go to the Content section in your course dashboard. Add modules or lessons by clicking on Add Module. Enter a title for each module and save your changes. Within each module, click Add Lesson to create individual lessons. Choose the type of lesson, such as video, text, or downloadable content. Upload your lesson materials or add links as needed. Fill in the lesson title and description to provide context. Continue adding lessons to each module until your course is complete. Next, configure the settings for your course. Set your course availability by choosing a start date and duration. Determine your pricing structure by selecting between free, one-time payment, or subscription options. Set up any payment gateways necessary for transactions. Once pricing is configured, navigate to the Emails section. Create automated emails for course announcements, welcome messages, and updates. Customize the email templates to match your branding. After emails are set, go to the Launch section. Choose how you want to launch your course, whether it's a live event or a self-paced option. Provide any additional sales materials or landing pages for registration. Preview your course to ensure everything is set up correctly. If satisfied, click Publish to make your course live. Finally, share your course link through social media or email to reach your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.